Citizens have complained about the activities of some judges of the Federal High Court, Abuja. These judges have allegedly been involved in partisan activities while on the bench. They have been known to use their discretion to issue ex parte orders in place of court judgment. Their activities have come to our attention, and it is high time they are stopped. These judges have taken a personal interest in Rivers State, its House of Assembly, political parties, local government elections, and everything else associated with the state. They have consistently presented their orders from politically intended viewpoint without recourse to the provisions of the law. In the process, therefore, they have abused the very high power of their office. Some asserted on the reasons behind their rulings, decided cases with only the reasoning that their decision favors their political friends and interests. Exceeded and acted without jurisdiction, abused their discretionary powers of interim and interlocutory orders by dishing out ex parte orders recklessly that conclude the entire matter even before the case starts. Deliver very questionable judgment and have brought the name of the judiciary and particularly the Federal High Court, Abuja, to disrepute. The world, and especially indigenes as residents of Rivers State, no longer treat their words with the respect that pronouncements from the court ought to command, but see them only from the political prism and refer to them as political judges or, more particularly, as pro-Wike judges. The plan by the enemies of our country, working in high places to throw Rivers State into anarchy, has been effectively arrested by Justice IPC Igwe's judgment. However, we are deeply concerned about certain judges within the Federal High Court in Abuja. We believe that there has been a troubling trend of partisanship among some judges, particularly those presiding over cases related to Rivers State matters. It is time to salvage the integrity of the Federal High Court and the Nigerian judiciary most especially. They have turned the Federal High Court into the playground for pro-Wike groups, where we hereby call upon the National Judicial Council, NJC, to take immediate action by suspending John Toso, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, along with Justice Peter Lifu, Emeka Nwete, and Judge Omotocho. These judges' actions and decisions have raised serious questions about the impartiality and commitment to justice. The NJC should not keep quiet and wait for petition when they have been hearing the cries of different groups, citizens about what is happening in the Federal High Court. Furthermore, we urge the NJC to order a forensic audit of over 32 cases that the Justice Toso has explicitly assigned to these pro-Wike justices regarding Rivers State issues. The assignment of these cases raises concern about manifest bias and conflict of interest that could undermine public confidence in the judicial system. In light of this severe concern regarding judicial conduct, JAD will take further steps by writing petitions to international bodies, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and European Union countries. We will advocate for visa ban against these politically biased judges and call for their names to be placed on international alert list. We must hold accountable those who compromise our democracy through their actions on the bench. How long must we wait again before Nigeria see NJC in action? Because of one man's over-bloated ambition and greed to maintain control over the treasury of Rivers State, we are allowing the destruction of an institution such as the Federal High Court. How can Justice Lifu, in an apparent political move, purport to have nullified Section 60, subsection 2 of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission law, which asked the jurisdiction of court to stop election, when a very similar provision in Section 84, subsection 15 of the Electoral Act is still there? If Nigerians allow this judgment to stand, will we cannot use it as precedent to stop a general election someday? Because if a court can stop an election that is already in progress, then Nigerians were running at risk if we allow courts to continue to stop election that is already in progress. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC keep quiet, thinking it is for their political benefit now. So all the road can continue. But when this serpent turns into a dragon tomorrow, they should not complain, though, because assuredly it will go round.